Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato cheddar soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of russet potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes. Also, have ready 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and 1/4 cup of butter. These are the foundational elements for a truly comforting bowl of soup. Now, let's start cooking. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 1 cup of chopped yellow onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until they become fragrant and translucent. Next, introduce your diced potatoes and 4 cups of chicken broth to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, preparing for the next delicious step. Continue to simmer the potatoes for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are perfectly tender. For that rich, creamy texture, mash about 2/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot using a potato masher or a fork. Finally, stir in 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. Your soup is almost ready. Your homemade potato cheddar soup is now ready to enjoy. Garnish each bowl with a sprinkle of extra cheddar, crispy bacon bits, or fresh chives for added flavor and presentation. This recipe yields approximately 6 generous servings, making it perfect for a cozy family dinner or sharing with friends. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.